These headphones have seen better days. So I'm going to be taking some time today to replace these ear covers. Ugh, I don't know what happened to those, as well as the headband area where you can see it's pretty tore up. Here are the parts I'm going to use to fix my headset. I've got a replacement cover or sheath for the band that goes across the top of your head, and two replacement ear pads. Um, so we'll see if I can get these put on there and see how this goes. First up is going to be trying to get these old head covers off, and they are quite ancient. Huh. It's pretty straightforward. Well, one was. I guess it's actually easier to rip those off first. And yeah, ugh. We're just gonna toss those. Okay, so earpiece should go on fairly simple. Let's see if we can get it lined up. Yeah. Okay. Once it popped on, it went pretty well. Boom. That was pretty quick. Okay, now let's take the replacement head cover sheath. And unfortunately, this appears to be zippered, which I must admit is not my favorite. Not exactly what I was expecting. Um, yeah, and you can see there, just getting the zipper on. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a pain in the you know what. There we go. Okay, now let's kind of see what we can do to get this on properly. And once we get it zipped, I'm sure we can adjust it. Yeah. All right, so it's on. Let's give it a little bit of an adjustment there so it's not so snug. It does have a nice foam. Almost feels like an EVA in there. Oh, you can see the old headphones were shedding. But now I've got this much nicer cover. I'm no longer going to get those ugly black flakes in my hair. Um, this should work out much, much better. And here's the finished product. So it looks acceptable. I mean, yeah, it's got this band up there, but again, covers the old flaky part. And the ear cup replacements turned out really well. I like it. And much, much cheaper than buying a brand new headset. So, highly recommend if you need to kind of spruce up an old set of headphones that you consider, you know, buying some replacement pieces off of Amazon or someplace like that. All right. See you next time.